Alright, my wife came across this neat little device at a estate sale, and came in this really nice box, and I thought maybe it was antique. It's marked London 1941. Not sure if you can see that, but as it turns out, I don't think it is, because inside the box is one of these little packets. So it's probably some kind of reproduction, but it is neat, and I did some research on how to use it. Let me go ahead and go through it and show you how I figured this out, and let's explore a piece of scientific history. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right below on my left. There's a few things about this I want to point out. One of them, it's got a little switch in the side, and that locks the compass, and it's also got a little tab. So the way this works, it's got little dials on the side, and those are to level it. Luckily we're at a pretty level area, and what you want to do is lift this pointer up, and you want to align it so that it points perfectly north. So let's stop that swinging using that little dial on the side. Let's get it to slow down. Alright, we're going to get the dial pointer aligned with the needle for north. Alright, it's aligned up for the needle for north. Now it's got this protractor, if you will, on the side. The whole idea behind the protractor is so that you can put in your declination, or the latitude of where you're at. We happen to be at about 35 degrees latitude, so we should be right about there. So the compass is pointing north. The angle matches the degrees of declination, and we should have a shadow that tells us the time. So I've got a piece of paper so you can see where the shadow's falling on the sundial, or roughly. And if you look at it, it's about XI, which is 11. It's a little bit after 11, which is 11:30, and that actually is the time that it is now. So it is working. It's kind of a neat feature. Can't say I would slap one on my wrist and carry it around, but you know, it is a piece of neat technology from the old days, and I thought I would share it with everybody. Well, there's the sundial. We know it'll tell the time. Yeah, again, this is not something I would ordinarily do on a YouTube video, but I came across this thing, figured out how to use it, and I thought it would really be a neat thing to share with you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you do, hit share, like, and don't forget to subscribe.